How you doing, guys? Today we have 2019 Ford Explorer and we're gonna create a code for the door. Let's start. So I'm going to use KM100 Key Programming. I'm gonna go to Immobilizer. I'm gonna find the Ford. Ignition is already on position, so I'm gonna go and hit automatic selection and I'm gonna read the VIN number. When it reads the VIN number, it's going to give us all the information needed and we can go to the menu to read the code. We're going to go to Smart Key because this is not a keyed ignition. I'm going to hit yes. We're going to go to Control Unit, Keypad Code, and it's going to tell us to leave the ignition on and it's going to read the code. And here's our code 37311. Now the customer have an original code from the dealer, but she bought the car used and the previous owner changed the code. So I'm gonna lock it and reset, and I'm gonna light up everything and I'm gonna put the original code 11642, but this is not doing anything because the customer already changed it. So I'm gonna reset it again by pressing the 7, 8 and 9, 0 button, reset button, and we're going to put the 37311. Then we're going to hit number 1 to change the code, and we're going to put the new code. So after I put 5-digit numbers, I'm not going to hit anything. I'm going to wait until it cycles. And that's programmed. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.